Hello, friends and darlings. Here's what I decided to do today to make a mask because I only have one. We have one each. So I used my one Amazon mask that I got 2 years ago as a template for my drawing. I literally just traced it and then sharpened the lines. And I did do some research about pattern making, meaning one Google search. And I know the outer edge has to be a little larger. So I traced what I had and made a larger one, outer edge, forgot how to spell, and then inner edge. I have a camisole that I'm using because it's cotton and a t-shirt. I figure the cami already has straps, so I don't have to worry about making ear straps. Little hack. All right, I'm gonna outline this on my camisole, outer edge, both sides, so making little wings. I'm gonna cut these suckers out. And here are my booby looking inserts. Now I bought this 99-cent set of thread about 5 years ago that I used to sew buttons back on. It's not the best. But yeah, I missed the part where I added twist ties from the garbage bags that I had into the nose area. But it works. It forms a pretty good seal. If you want to waste 4 hours, here you go.